What's up, everyone? Your boy Big A here with another video. I hope you're all having a great President's Day weekend and are out there hunting, finding some great, awesome diecast pieces. I've got lots of showcase for you guys today, so without further ado, let's get started. First one up, we've got the 65 Mustang 2x2 Fastback in the Golf Liberty. There you go. Check this out, guys. It's got the nice little black interior there, black base. It's got the gold trim around the rims there, black 5-spoke rims. Pretty cool tampos. It says Goodyear right there. It's got the number 20 and it says Ford. Pretty awesome. Next one up, piece we're all excited and look forward to finding when we are out there hunting is the 2016 Bugatti Chiron, this time in a metallic black. Check this out, guys. This came out in a metallic blue, if I'm not mistaken. You know, it's a very sought out piece. Now we have it in black. Really cool. Good luck finding this one, guys. This one's going to be very hard to find. I also found the Tesla Model 3, now in a metallic gray. This one was previously released in a white, if I'm not mistaken. I also remember seeing it in a kind of like a maroon color or burgundy color. So very excited to find this one. I also found this really cool Range Rover Velar, now in a black color. Really cool. It was previously released in gray and in white, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember the cases or what year, but yeah, it's a pretty cool piece. You know, it even has the little Range Rover emblem right there, right above the grill. Pretty cool. Check out those headlights there, not bad. Really cool piece. I also found this cool custom Cadillac Fleetwood. This is a metallic green body with a flat green siding. It's pretty cool. Check that out. Kind of reminds me of you know, those lowrider cars back in the day. Pretty cool. Awesome piece. I also found this cool Porsche 918 Spyder. Check this out. Nice little two-seater there. This by the way, guys, is the Super Treasure Hunt version. I don't remember if it's the D case or the E case, but this particular model is the mainline, of course, but if the Super Treasure Hunt version is a much darker, it's more like a navy blue, and the rims are, of course, are, you know, much different. And you could also notice it on the card art. You know, the color of the car is a much darker blue. And of course, you could also take a look at the tires. You know, if you see that they're Real Rider wheels, and it's got that Spectral Flame paint, and of course that gold flame on the back of the cart there. You'll know you got the Super Treasure Hunt. So good luck finding that one, guys. I also found this 2018 Honda Civic Type R in black. Very nice piece. It was previously released in white, then red, and now we have it in black. So very cool. I like the color scheme here. The black on red. Really cool. I picked up a few of them because, you know, I'm planning to customize a few of them and you know, do some different things with them. So pretty cool find there. I also found this Mazda Repu. This is the Legend Outlaw, a Magnus Walker design. Check that out. This came out, I believe, last year as a super treasure hunt. Also, you know, a regular mainline. It's kind of, if I remember correctly, it was kind of hard to tell them apart because the color of the of both the mainline and the super treasure hunt were almost identical, and you know, the rims were pretty much the same. You know, the only way to tell them apart is by, you know, paying close attention to the tampos. You know, looking, one of them had, of course, the TH on it somewhere on the back, and the other one didn't. But other than that, they were pretty much identical. It's pretty cool. It's got the number 52, and if I'm not mistaken, this stands for, represents the 52nd anniversary Hot Wheels. So pretty cool. I also found this really cool 88 Honda CRX. Check this out, guys. Very, very nice. This one, by the way, is also a super treasure hunt. The difference is, of course, the Spectra Flame paint, and the rims are in a color orange, if I'm not mistaken. It would be something like that color right there. So hopefully you guys find it, guys. I never have luck finding super treasure hunts, but you know, I'll settle for these pieces, at least for now. So pretty cool. I also found this really cool Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo, now in white. This previously came out in a matte gray, if I'm not mistaken. Now we have it in white. My opinion, it stands a lot bit more in white than in that matte gray, but still a pretty cool piece. You know, I love it. Here we go. Now we have this one. This is a circle tracker. This is a fantasy car, but you know, it's pretty cool. I picked it up because of the tampos. You know, it's got the nice little Mattel tampo there, the number 75. You know, 75th anniversary. This is how long you know, the Mattel brand has been out there offering us consumers some great products. On the side of the 75, you can see all the other products that belong to the Mattel family. You've got Uno, that card game, Barbie, Matchbox, and I can't really read the other ones, but pretty cool. It's got the number 75 in gold there on the roof. It's got that Mattel symbol there, that logo on the front of the car there, and it also has this nice little M75 Mattel stamp there on the card. So pretty cool. I also found this really cool 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor, now in white. Pretty cool. I really like the decal on this car here. Pretty cool. This came out in different colors. I believe there was a GameStop exclusive, and there was also a, if I'm not mistaken, a red one or a yellow one. Anyways, I don't remember, guys, but yeah, this is a recolor, but you know, in my opinion, this one stands out the most. So pretty cool. I also found this 65 Mustang 2+2 fastback, you know, Golf Liberty. There you go. Nice little detail on the decals here, but it's pretty cool. You know, I'm a fan of the Mustang brand, so it's pretty cool. Goodyear. It's got the number 20. It says Ford right there. Pretty cool piece. I also found this cool Ford F1 in a candy mint green here. Check that out. Very, very nice piece. Check out that grill, guys. Awesome. It's got that black interior, that chrome base. Pretty cool there. It says Legends on the side of the door. It's pretty cool. I like cars like this. Check out that Ford emblem there on the back. Pretty cool. And I want to give a shout out to my boy Jesse for finding these for me. You know, he is he for some reason he has more luck finding things than I do. You know, I've been hunting for this one for quite some time, and you know, just had no luck. You know, I've hit different stores, different days, different times, and you know, just haven't been able to find it. So he gave me a call a few days ago, and he's like, "Hey, bro, you know, guess what I found?" And it's like, "Okay, cool," you know. So he picked it up for me, and now it's going to my collection. So pretty cool. RWB Porsche 930 Aerolift. Very nice. I like that little skull there with a cap. Check that out. It's a nice little detail there. This is really, really nice. Color scheme and everything. Really, really cool. He also found this really cool 70 Plymouth Superbird wide open. Personally, I like this one better than the Porsche, only because I'm a big fan of the Superbird, Dodge Superbird. So pretty cool. I like the decals there, you know, Union or Unical 76. Pretty cool. It says Bell. It says Goodyear. Pretty cool. And same decals on the hauler itself. Pretty cool. At one point, I'm gonna open this. Check that out, guys. It looks like you know, it comes with some spare tires. I hope they, you know, they're real tires. They look like they are. You know, at least I hope so. You know, if they are, you know, I'm definitely gonna use them to, you know, customize some cars and stuff. So, thank you, Jesse, for finding these for me. Really, really awesome. Last but not least, got these two pieces here. Oops, sorry about that, guys. I dropped my phone. Got the green light 1996 Ford F-250 Bigfoot. Check that out, guys. Love the detail on the tires there. Nice big tires. Check out all those decals there, or tampos on the truck. Pretty cool. I'm a big fan of this casting, so that's why I picked it up. You know, can't go wrong. I love the detail on it. Pretty awesome. I also found the Hot Wheels version of it. Check this out. This came out last year, if I'm not mistaken. Last year or 2018, something like that. So now it's back with a white lift kit. Check this out. And here we go. Here's a comparison of the previous version. So this one, you know, it's got it also has the white rims, big black tires. But this one has a black lift kit, and the decals are somewhat different. Here we go. Somewhat different. See, the first one has a lot more decals there. Check that out. So pretty cool. Just thought I'd throw that out there, guys. So if you guys are interested in these pieces, you know, by all means pick them up. They should not be that hard to find. I can't say the same about this one, but this one, you know, I've seen quite a bit. So they're hitting stores now, guys. If you're interested, go get them before they're gone. In the meantime, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, God bless, and happy hunting, guys. Later.